Hello everyone, my name is Yash. I started my ACCA career in 2021 from an East African country called Uganda. I studied over there for over a year and a half and appeared for few papers, but didn't achieve the result I expected it to be. Thereafter, my friend's advice, I came across Yates Education. And without any hesitation, I shifted to Ahmedabad. And started classes from Yates Education. Now I am preparing for other papers and hope to see the same results as I have seen so far.